The laws are not it's not there to convince you. It's it's not there to preach to you otherwise, to live, in a specific form of way. Live however the fuck you want to live. That's your chunk. That's you being chunky on your own. The laws, or rather this school of thought, is just here to share with you information that could describe the way in which energy express itself, the many ways in which energy expresses itself, right? And the fundamental way in which energy expresses itself would be nothingness, and then somethingness, and then everything else that you see around us. And we have these laws, and these laws are non-biased. It doesn't work better if you're rich or if you're poor or if you're white or black or brown, blue, or it doesn't work better if your mom or dad is fucking well connected. I don't know what the fuck. It doesn't fucking matter. As long as you are conscious, as long as you have spirit, as long as you have matter, occupy space, and you have energy, and you are energy, then energy would behave in the same way it behaves throughout the universe, right? And so the reason why we have this understandings of these pillars is so that we can come about as one another to co-create an experience like none other. And thus we will be able to create new memories, new experiences, and learn new lessons, and be able to grow in new ways as a soul, as consciousness, as energy, right? So you're not just only the small picture, you're also very much part of the big picture as well, right? And when you know this, beyond that, how are you gonna make your choices? How are you gonna choose to live? How are you going to express yourself? And whatever that means, if you choose the path of selfless self, if you choose your passion, that is chunky, to put it simply. And the idea that every one of us is a chunk on its own, and we are all made up of the same stuff. We're made up of stardust. We are held together by cosmic energy, and we share experiences directly or indirectly just by even holding space or being present or sharing an experience. And when we come together and we see everything from a bigger picture, and there is this energy, there's this vibe that attracts the interactions and the contributions of more than one, of a collective entity. All those chunks come together and we get something chunky. So what chunky is not really something that you can put a finger on and say, this is chunky. Because, yeah, this is chunky. This is also chunky. That is also a chunk. This one. And, from that point of view, we are all part of the same one thing. And